Good day. Today we're going to look at Bank Manager. What is Bank Manager? Bank Manager assists you to import your bank statement directly into your cash book. It streamlines the process by allowing you to set up frequent transactions which will be recognized in future bank statement reports. Bank Manager also eliminates the stress of manually typing the bank transactions into the cash book. There are 4 steps in the process of using the Bank Manager. The first step, you download your bank statement via the internet banking. Please note that there are different layouts for banks when you download. For example, Standard Bank uses comma delimited. Step 2, open the cash book and you will download your Bank Manager in the cash book. There must be no transaction in the cash book lines, otherwise you can't download your Bank Manager. So to start your Bank Manager, you will go into Bank Manager. The statement provided, you will select your type of bank. We're going to use Standard Bank. The statement file, you will select your statement you downloaded from the bank. All the transactions on your bank statement will download it in the Bank Manager screen. There are 3 tabs at the top left-hand side. Payments, you will only see all the payment transactions. Receipts, you will only see all the deposit transactions, and all is a combination of payments and receipts. To make it easy, rather work per tab. So we're going to work with payments first. On the payment screen, you will add your transactions to the different accounts. Module, this is where you will select what type of module. The first transaction is AP for suppliers. Then you will select the account. The second one is a general ledger transaction, for example, bank charges. Now, what's nice about Bank Manager, you can add a mapping for all the transactions that happen frequent. So next time you don't have to redo the mapping. So we're going to do a mapping for bank charges. The module will be general ledger. The account will be Bank Manager. And now to add this as a mapping, you will click on Add Mapping. So next time, the system will search for the description, cash deposit fee branch account, and you can type in your ledger description for your reports. You're going to type in bank charges. We're going to allocate this only to the payment of the transactions. Now you can see at the bottom, by default, it picked up that description and changed it to bank charges. So next time you don't have to allocate that. You will only allocate the ones you didn't map. So I'm going to map the rest. If you know the account, you can type them in manually. Otherwise, you will use your arrow to search for the accounts. When done with payments, you will go to receipts and you will compile all the transactions under the receipts. You will see I just type in the code because I already know the code. If you don't know the code, you will click the arrow and then you can use your arrow to move up and down to search for the accounts. You can also do a mapping on the accounts receivable side. So we know JKM more than once. So we can add a mapping. We'll search for the bank statement and then you can decide what you want to type in your ledger description field. and save. So next time it will by default pick that one up. So when done, remember you can even add projects if you want to allocate project transactions to these fields. At the end, there are the button which is submit. If you click on submit, you will submit the payments and the receipts. If you only want to submit one side, for example, payments, then you will click on payment batch only or receipt batch only. We're going to submit both, so I'm just going to click on the word submit. All the transactions are imported into your cash book. What's nice about this screen, you can still amend if you need to make changes. When done, you will click on Post Batch or Save and continue with your bank reconciliation as normal. If you have any questions about Bank Manager, you are welcome to email info@about.it. Thank you.